Hello friends, today in this video we are going to modify FZ250 bike with the RC underbelly and with the Duke front half mudguard and with Duke X3 kit. And let's go friends, let's see this video. And first thing, we fixed the RC underbelly and we made the underbelly to stand too hard, and we fixed the underbelly using clamps, otherwise there will be more vibration will happens. And next friends, we fixed the Duke X3 kit, and we think that our customer is too lucky because this kit have little alignment problem, so we can't able to fix in Duke bike. So we give this to our customer, and this is the good day, and so we give for half the price. And come to the fixing video, and finally we got fixed everything. And see this friends, and we also more happy, and our customer also felt more happy after seeing the final output. And it's really cool and look like little more gigantic. And you can also see this is the front look. And also one more thing friends, in X3 kit we have little modified because to make close contact with the stock body kit and also to avoid unwanted holes areas. And see this, the underbelly and the X3 kit, and the X3 kit all body filler works done, and its front mudguard also fixed. And thank you friends, all the parts are available, X3 kit, front mudguard and underbelly also available. The link will be provided in description. If you need, just message us and follow our Instagram ID to see more modifications like this. And also friends, the painted video will be updated soon. Thank you friends, thank you for supporting always, and thank you for your love and support.